Story 46. Afaki had a very ugly daughter, and when she attained puberty, no one was inclined to marry her, in spite of her dowry and wealth. And regardless of what from the other reasons to get married, other than mere physical lust, there's got to be enough that you're certain you're going to be able to consummate that marriage and, keep to it on a regular basis, right? Bad is the brocade and damask cloth, which is upon an ugly bride. At last, it became necessary to marry her to a blind man, and it is related that on the said occasion, a physician arrived from Serendip, who was able to restore sight to the blind. The Feke, being asked why he had not put his son-in-law under treatment, he replied, I fear that if he is able to see, he will divorce my daughter. It is better if the husband of an ugly woman is blind. Well, because, the few features or aspect that makes the woman ugly, well, I think most men, if that's the issue, the rest is going to make up for it, right? We're not that shallow. Thank you very much.